research and innovation have always had a very particular spot. It is at the heart of many of our relationships and partnerships between companies, organizations, etc. Our participation in this event is the perfect example. This activity gathered 300 stakeholders, either French or from Quebec.
These challenges are vital challenges in the real sense of the word for our economy, and for the whole of humanity. So I'm very proud that you have built up a cluster which is a world reference in our activity. And I'd like to take this opportunity to reassert on behalf of the government our wish to consolidate and develop links of cooperation with our international partners, and particularly in Europe.